In this video, I'm going to show you all how I add cool brown highlights to my dark hair. To start off, I am going to use the Blondr Bleach from Wella. I'm only using this for one of the bundles of my hair because I don't want to bleach a lot of the hair. I had a little 40 volume developer left, so I am going to use the rest of this, and I'm going to mix that with 20 volume developer. Whenever you're using bleach, you want to make sure that you're following the measurements on the container. So I think this ratio is 1 to 1.5 or 1 to 2. So I'm going to mix 2 ounces of this in my bowl first and then use 3 to 4 ounces of the developer. I'm mixing everything in this bowl with a brush. That's just like the easiest way for me to be able to mix it, but you can also mix it in a container. I only had a little bit of that 40 developer left, but it's really strong, so you do want to make sure that you're using gloves whenever you're working with that. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this up to 2 ounces. And anytime you're bleaching, you want to make sure that you're using foil to separate, especially if you're only adding highlights. I think in my chocolate brown hair color video, I used soft brown. So this time around, I'm using coolest brown. So I have 3 boxes of this coolest brown shade. This is what I'm gonna be using the most. And this high color works really good with browns. And I also have two blonde shades. One is in Natural Blonde and the other one is Shimmering Gold. I read in the reviews that it doesn't really turn blonde, it just turns like a lighter brown. And that's what I want. So I am going to use these, but I'm not expecting for it to be blonde. I'm just hoping for like a light brown. Still dark up top, and then I have the highlights at the bottom, and then I have the other two bundles that I added more. So if you guys remember, I used bleach and then I added that Shimmering Gold. I think that's the lightest one that they do have with the L'Oreal High Color. I still added the coolest brown on top.